So this is where I'm at with the lights, y'all. I took it off. Um, First I took the bracket off here. First I took this bracket off, and this one here, the screws I had to get from the back. Then you got two screws here, which opens up the whole case, breaks it in half. Then you can use an Allen wrench to get those out. Took me a little time. Um, I wanted to check these real quick because even though he didn't have a bulb in the Jokers, I don't know. So I'm just gonna turn the bike on. Well, not even start it, and just hit the signals. Just turn the key basically. Yeah, see, I'm not seeing anything there. That's not good. Man. Okay, so yep. I'm gonna have to do some wire tracing, y'all. Cause I got flashing up front. Let me show you here real quick. Hopefully y'all can see that. Um, yeah. See, I got flashing up front there. Nothing in the back. Yeah. I'm up to trace wires down. I'll bring y'all back in a minute. Okay. So you can see I waste some. I was trying to get it on that can. I do got a can under it now. Drain it in there. I don't have my flashlight, but it looked like it coated pretty well. Well, very well to me. I got me a good coating in there. Look at that. That's a pretty good coating in there. A little bit around the neck could have been a little bit better, but that's still good. Yeah. So, and I got a few specks and flakes right here, but I don't have to worry about that because I guess I can tell y'all now since everything that came into effect into the deal. The whole deal was I was getting the Honda, but the deal was, as y'all see, the Kawasaki 800. The deal was I got a guy I know who's a professional painter, and to trade Kawasaki for the paint job on my Honda. So I should get a brand new paint job for my Honda. That's why I wasn't too, worried about this or that. I want to put this lid back. Drives pretty fast. Yeah, it's gonna need an overnight, but it drives pretty fast. I'm gonna wait to put this lid on there. I'm gonna let it drain some more. I was just gonna put it on there because I wanted the sand on the tank some. Yeah, that was the only reason I was trying to put it on there because I wanted the sand on the tank. No other reason. No other reason than that. Get a little of that dead out the way. He's gonna do it, but I still wanna get a lot of it did so that I get it back quickly. You know. Now I have sanded, not well. I have sanded tanks. I was going to say because I have painted a couple of bikes that was mine though, but I use rattle can, and one of them a Suzuki. I use my guns because I got 2 guns, but I'm not a professional painter. So, yep, that was the deal I was making. So this is red coating, and what did you do? Like I say, you let it drain. I'm gonna let it drain for maybe, I don't know, till it seemed to me like pretty much through. Which I think I still got a little bit more to go. Maybe another hour. I'll give it another hour. Although I'm gonna put the lid on and just let it drain into that bucket. That way I'll have that already sealed, and I can just let the rest drain into the bucket where I'd waste some at. And that'll be out the way. And I'll just put this other one up for later date. Never know if you need it or not. So, we'll put that up under here on the cardboard. And that'll be out the way. So if we need that again. Also, with the one that I spilled, I should be able to tell through that if when it's dry. Alright, y'all. I guess, while we here, look at this. My lights. These are the lights I'm going to use. My lights were all messed up. So I just wanted to go just a little bit smaller. So, kind of update it a little bit, you know. But I'm just going to go just a little smaller, not a lot. What? Well, I guess it is about half, because the other was about that big. So it's maybe about half the size. Them should look good on there, though. Because I don't think really little ones would look good on that big old bike. Alright, y'all. I'm going to call it right here. I guess I'll give y'all like maybe an update when I do the next video on the tank. And maybe the lights if I get those in. Thank y'all. Don't forget to like and subscribe.